Welcome to Quick Start Guide for Top Load Washing Machine. Before the first wash, select the cotton wash program and add a half amount of detergent. Start the appliance without clothes. This will remove residue and water from the drum that may have been left during manufacturing. You should always sort your clothes before a cycle. First, sort clothes by fabric types. Wash heavier items, like towels, separately from lighter weight clothes. This is to prevent abrasion and damage to finer fabrics. Also, check the care label of clothes you are not sure on how to wash. Make sure the clothing is machine washable. You should also check the recommended washing temperature and for specific instructions. Next, separate your laundry by color. Wash dark or dyed clothes separately from white or light colors. Before you load your clothes into the drum, make sure the pockets are empty. Close zippers, hooks, and strings to make sure these items do not snag other clothes. Open the washing machine door and load your clothes into the washing machine. Do not overload your drum. Then close the door, making sure nothing gets stuck in between. Check the detergent and softener compartments of your model. Add the measured amount of detergent and fabric softener into their respective compartment. Do not add fabric softener over the max line. Close the dispenser drawer gently. Now press the power button. LG washing machines have a wide variety of wash cycles. Wash programs are designed for the best wash performance for different types of clothes. Press the program button to select the desired program. When you select a wash program, the light for the corresponding wash program will turn on. You can use the extra options and functions on some programs to customize the cycle. But for most use cases, all you need to do is press the start or pause button, and the wash cycle will start. It is best to remove your laundry from the drum as soon as a cycle is complete. If you always use cold water, wash with warm or hot water at least once every 5 times. Turn off taps after use to prevent the chance of flooding, otherwise an inlet hose may burst. Always unplug the power cord after use. After the cycle is finished, wipe the door and the inside of the door to remove any moisture. Detergent or fabric softener may build up in the dispenser drawer. Remove the drawer and inserts from the dispenser drawer and clean any buildup once or twice a month. If bleach is used, clean the area around the bleach dispenser. Leave the door open to dry the drum interior, but only if it is safe and any children are supervised. Immediately wipe off any spills. Wipe the exterior with a damp cloth, then dry again with a dry cloth. Do not press on the surface or the display with sharp objects.